Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your hotspot automatically when it's no longer used on your Android phone. Okay, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the connection setting. And on this connection setting, you can select mobile hotspot and tethering. Just click on it. Then click on mobile hotspot. And you can go to the configure. Then you're going to tap on the advanced right here. Then you can click on this option, turn off when no device connected for. You can tap on this option. Then here we can select the duration. So for example, I'm going to select 20 minutes. Okay, and when there's no device connected for 20 minutes, so your hotspot will be turned off automatically. And we can save this setting. We can tap on the save button. Okay, and now the connection setting or the hotspot setting has been updated. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off hotspot automatically when it's no longer used on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.